Hello everyone, no sound from your Crossley record player, don't worry. In this video, we will walk you through quick solutions to get your audio back. Let's fix that sound. Step 1. Remove the stylus guard. Locate the stylus guard on the tonum. Gently pull it off to expose the stylus. Try playing your record again to see if sound is produced. Step 2. Check headphone connection. Look for any headphones plugged into the headphone jack. If headphones are connected, unplug them. Play a record to check if sound now comes through the speakers. Step 3. Inspect the stylus condition. Examine the stylus for any visible damage or wear. If the stylus appears worn or broken, consider replacing it. After replacing, test the record player with a record. Step 4. Adjust volume and line in switch. Locate the volume knob on your record player. Turn the volume up to a reasonable level. Check the line in switch if applicable and ensure it is set to off if no external device is connected. Play a record to see if sound is restored. Step 5. Verify speaker connections. Inspect all speaker wire and connections for any looseness or disconnections. Ensure that all connections are secure and properly plugged in. Play a record again to check for sound output. Step 6. Check for amplifier issues. If you suspect internal issues, turn off the record player and unplug it from the power source. Wait a few minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on again. If there is still no sound, consider contacting a professional repair service. Step 7. Test speaker with another audio source. Disconnect the speakers from your Crossley record player. Connect them to another audio source like a phone or computer. Using an appropriate cable, play audio from the source to determine if the speakers are functioning properly. Step 8. Contact Crossley support. If none of these fixes work, contact Crossley's customer service for assistance. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. They might provide specific troubleshooting tips or recommended professional repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.